a specialty dealing mostly with muscles and bones and joints. Typically we deal a lot with neck pain, low back pain, but we deal with anything having to do with any joint in the body. So wrist pain, knees, really any musculoskeletal issue. We deal a lot with athletes in our practice, but really it's good for anybody that has a spine, so kids all the way up to elderly. First thing is pain relief. A lot of people come into our office because they're hurting and they want to feel better. But really, the place where chiropractic shines is keeping people from ever getting into pain. Because really, if we can keep your joints and musculoskeletal system, to the point where it's functioning properly, you really rarely actually have any real serious pain. So we can keep your body functioning at its best. And that's really good, like I said, for athletes, but really everybody can benefit from that. Well, and a lot of times too, we have a lot of little stresses in our life, people that sit at a desk job especially, you're sitting in one position that's not the most healthy position for about 8 hours a day. And that puts a lot of stress on your body. So if we can correct some of that stress before it causes problems, that's really more ideal than waiting till there's problems. Chiropractic is actually one of the safest medical professions anyways. We actually have the lowest malpractice of any medical practitioner. So our malpractice is typically about a fourth of what a PCP is and about 1/50th the cost of a surgeon or OB-GYN is. But for people that are more fragile, we have a lot of different techniques we can use that are more gentle than the typical chiropractic adjustment you might think of. And they're really great for people who are, like I said, more fragile or are worried about that. We're in network with almost all the major insurances here in town, and most of them will cover it in some form. It just depends on what your coverage is and if you've met your deductible and things like that.